before I even get ready for the day, I'm going to do a little bit of my workbook. If you struggle with like confidence or self-esteem, I definitely recommend the self-love workbook for women. It just like makes you think about things and like, I don't know, it just actually does help. So I usually just do 1 or 2 pages a day. So that's what I'm gonna do. I probably will only do 1 since it's like the morning. Makeup time. Oops. Ow, 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 ow. Oh wow, that really hurt. That really hurt. Oh my god. I feel like I actually just stabbed my eye with a fork. That was sharp. Oh my god. Okay, well, great. Oh my god, my entire eye. Oh my god. B's still putting mascara on. Oh my god. I gotta go wipe this. I hope that goes down because I have somewhere to be. I make a rush. You don't want to put my arm through this, please?
Why'd you have me take your hair out of the braids from?
Because did you see it this morning? The crepe? I love you, cookies. Alright, I didn't even give an intro. Hey guys, what's up? It's Heidi. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a little day in the life today. Right now, I'm going to OT and PT. So I'm going to be there for like a few hours. This is the fit. Hang on, I'll show you guys. Oh wait, I don't want to like move the screen, but anyways, this is the outfit. Got my blazers, Polara leggings, white shirt, and vest. So, alright. Got my bag of OT stuff. We're ready to go. Bye, teas. This is how I go down the stairs. On our way. Left the house at 2 and now it's literally 5 o'clock. I literally just got back. I was almost there for 3 hours. That's crazy. But I'm really glad with how today went. In OT, we worked on like some stretching stuff. And apparently I had a really bad knot in like my chest area because like when your shoulders get tight, that can cause like tightness in your chest too. And then I waited in the waiting room for my next appointment, which was PT. And again, we just did stretching and then went over some more exercises. Oh, and in PT, I finally used a workout machine for the first time. I used the leg press machine. Yes, that was actually really cool because I've never used a workout machine. I have to do a few things for work right now. As you can see, I have a whole thing of laundry again. Thank God I decided to shut this off for this video because I just realized I have a meeting at 6, so that could have been bad. Okay, when I said I had to get work stuff done, I totally forgot that on that list was a meeting. So thank God I realized I had one because it literally starts in 8 minutes. So thank you. Wish me luck. Surprising for someone like me. So I'm gonna relax a little bit before my dinner gets here. We got food from this place called Steve's. I'm so glad we ended up getting it tonight. Also, I realized that most of this video is probably gonna be a voiceover or like montage because I barely spoke. I'm gonna watch some YouTube, I think. My little sweet treat. Diet Coke. Dinner's here.